Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get to the Discord on a computer. Now keep in mind, the only reason you need to do this is because not only Discord members only discussion is where I'm the most active, where I'll be answering the most questions, and two, this is how you're able to gain access to the channel because the Discord knows what tier of membership you are. And please keep in mind, due to the mass confusion that's happening on the different tiers, we're going to keep it to one tier if you're interested in trading. It's just going to be tier 3. It's going to move down to the only tier possible. So if you're interested in joining the group, tier 3 is what it will be. So make sure if you haven't already to upgrade to that so you can gain access to the Discord. And to gain entrance to it, you have to connect your Discord to YouTube. And to do that, once you log into Discord on a computer, you look at here towards the bottom. You'll find your name with your little avatar picture. Click the little gear here, user settings. And then you will see here on the left-hand side under user settings, connections. Click connections. And then right here, you'll have a list of services. You should see YouTube pop up here. If you don't, try going and signing into YouTube and then reloading Discord, but it should be here. You simply just click on that and then follow the steps to connect your YouTube. And then once you do that, as long as you're tier 3, you should have access to the members only discussion where I will be the majority of the time answering questions, posting screenshots, going over plays, stuff like that. Due to the shadow ban on YouTube, it's not really viable for me to do posts and stuff on YouTube because a lot of people don't get them. So this is the best way to do it for everybody. And hopefully this will help you get to the Discord. And hopefully I'll see you there. I'll make one for the phone as well.